So guess what? I'm going to introduce myself again. So welcome everybody. I'm Brenda.
And I'm Charu.
And we are the co-founders of BNC Miracle Method. Our journey has been a long and fruitful one. And we are here today to basically empower you.
So the journey started, way back in 2012, when me and Brenda we met in a healing course, and then when we started, when we became friends, we started talking a lot about this common topic of spirituality, and we both shared one common dream, which was like instant healing. Because between both of us we had learned a lot of healing modalities, but we wanted to see results faster and faster and in a consistent way. No, that not that you create one miracle and if somebody asks you to repeat it, then you say, oh, you know what, I can try. We wanted to see more consistency in our healing works. Like, if you are able to do something, you're able to create that miracle again and again with confidence that, oh, this thing I can handle. So I remember one time, and our motivation was Sai Baba, because one day we both were just driving together, and I told Brinda that, why can't we be like Sai Baba? Like, how he used to raise his hand and bring a gold chain, manifest anything. Yeah, manifest anything from the ether. So, and then we both laughed, obviously, because we thought, like, how can it be? But in this whole game, actually, Sai Baba blessed us, and we started creating miracles, or we started experiencing miracles. Let me correct, not creating miracles. We started experiencing miracles in our healing work, and we, using our knowledge and all the learning, miracle method came developed, and then we started teaching. So the mission is actually to create healer in every house. That is our mission, so that we all can formulate a chain of spreading light. That is the mission. Now coming back to miracle method. So what is miracle method? Miracle method is a scientific technique. It's not meditation. It's not a meditative process. So basically, because it's a technique, it is open to the entire world. Because it's like, if you want to learn how to drive a car, everybody can learn it. But if you want to be a very good, a clairvoyant, intuitive person, then you need some qualities, inborn qualities to be that. So this is everybody's game. And because it's a technique, we have tools in that. So the tools that we use is a pendulum and a chart. So this is how, because of the copyright reason, the chart is blurred, but we have a chart and a tool. And the entire operation is done on this chart. And
okay, so we have to use only these two things.
Yes, these two things, and then that's it, and you're good with and then obviously we teach you how to drive this car. So
Yeah,
which gear to put and how to start the car, that we teach you. And then you are able. So with this tool, which is a pendulum and a chart, we developed a very direct way of entering into any person's energy field. So, and all we need is the name of the person. So if we know the name of the person, we are able to tap into their energy field, and not only tap, we are able to create a shift as well. We are able to work on their energy to clear the challenge that they are feeling or they are encountering. So how do we go about it? Shall we
do demo?
Yes, yeah, that's the best way.
Proof is in the pudding, right? And yeah, someone on this asked about Corona, and we have a lot of miracles for healing on Corona, and how this has helped people survive and get rid of COVID. So what we would like to is, if you all can post on the chat, if anyone has pain, what is your pain? Is it chronic? Is it from the past few months, few days, few years? Please post on this so we'll have a look. And rate your pain on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the least pain and 10 being the maximum pain. So we will then do a demonstration for a few of you to just see, you know, how the method works and how simple it is. So no one has pain? Everyone is free pain. How good is that?
Oh,
Okay.
no,
All right.
no, I have. Smita Desai, my mother-in-law is having a pain last 5 years. Spinal
Okay.
cord is
I posted
paining.
on the
Yeah, Lina Desai posted. And yeah. So let's take some.
So Suchitra says she has lower back pain and also cervicals. So how long have
Yeah.
you been doing this?
lower back has been for quite a few years. I had fallen down on the staircase and from my kinetic, I did not bother about it at that time. Now the pain is there, continues. But if I stand for too long or pick up something heavy, it starts. Then after I apply medicine and lie down, it relaxes. But again, like I can't stand for very long to do cooking or anything.
And what's the degree of
I
pain?
can't pick
So
up
at the
anything.
moment it is hurting?
It's very high. Yeah, slight it is there now because I was doing work in the kitchen prior to this. Now the pain is less, but sometimes the pain is 10, sometimes it's 5.
No, at the moment,
And the
how it is?
cervical,
On a scale of 10, at this point of time, how much is the pain?
at this point of time, I would say about, no, it is about 3 now. Now it is lower because I applied medicine and it came. I was not aware of this class when I came and I picked up the phone, I saw the message. And cervical, because of my cervical, my right arm little, it gives me trouble. I'm not find it difficult to sleep or turn my hand at the back a lot.
And Smita, what about you? You have also written you have pain.
Smita Desai is my mother-in-law. She's having a
Okay.
pain, right?
Right
And
now
even
she is
mine also. Yeah, she's having immense pain. She's sleeping with the medicine. That much pain she's having.
okay. And what about you? What were you saying about yourself?
My throat is paining a lot.
Okay. So who do we take?
Okay. And Shekhar, back pain, lower pain.
Who? Me?
Shekhar,
Smita?
Shekhar.
Yes, madam. I'm Shekhar.
Yeah. What is your
Yeah,
pain?
I'm having that lower back pain since years, and it is very severe actually. It is called now sciatica. Okay, from the right leg,
Okay.
from lower to till. Okay, like no toes.
And what's the degree of pain?
Hello.
So how much is at the moment it is hurting?
Yeah,
Shekhar?
yeah.
So on a
Automatically
scale of 10, how do you rate your pain?
10.
10. So who do we take first?
Let's say Shekhar.
Okay, so let's
Since
start.
it is like live demo for 10. We like good challenges. So you said on the right side?
No, lower back.
Yeah.
No, you said right somewhere.
So
Right,
can you
right side. Yeah.
Yeah. On the right, it is more or just lower back all area, which is exactly
Yeah. All leg actually. Right leg.
right leg
From,
pain?
is sciatica.
yeah. From lower to top.
Sciatica.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we're using our charts and we're going to do our method. So just give us about 2 minutes or so. And Shekhar, maybe you could, are you sitting somewhere?
No, I'm at home now.
Yeah, so you're sitting, right? So maybe
Yeah,
you can
I'm
just,
sitting now.
yeah, so maybe you can just be open to receiving.
Okay.
Yeah. Shekhar, we have done your session for you.
Demo session.
Demo session for you. It will take about 2 to 5 minutes to integrate and for the energy to change for you. So in the meantime, why don't we go back to, yeah, she had 3, right? Yeah. So Suchitra, why don't we look at your back pain?
Yeah, sure.
You said it's 3, right? And where exactly
Yeah.
on it? It's exactly the lower back?
Yeah, exactly. The lower back, starting
Okay.
from the
Starting from the?
where the spinal cord starts, no, from there, that
So
entire portion. No,
No,
down.
No, down. The tailbone.
So
you mean to say.
tailbone, you mean?
Tailbone, sorry.
Okay. So your main pain is concentrated on the tailbone.
Yeah, tailbone, that full patch.
Yeah.
So lower back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can check on Shekhar. Shekhar, you're there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
So what is the rating of pain now?
A little relaxed, okay, I'm getting.
So from 10, it went to what?
10, it went 9 or 8, we can say.
Okay, amazing. So 20% change in your pain.
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So for you, information is basically, it's about responsibility. So somewhere you have maybe blocks to responsibility or too much responsibility, and that is weighing you down.
Yes, right.
Yeah. So when you look at it as just just part of life or whatever, then maybe it won't weigh you down.
Okay, thank you, madam.
Right side is male side, so maybe pressure from father. I don't know, just saying. Don't think about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, that's great.
Charu, I have a question, Brenda, about this checker right now.
Okay.
You remove this pain of him and 20% has been reduced, which is really awesome. But
Thank you.
for further, he has to go for the further more healing, or it will
Yes.
the
Yes,
one
of
this.
course.
Yeah, because this was just like a 2 minutes demo. Usually a session takes an hour. It's an hour's
Okay.
work to do a full session for somebody.
Okay, that's what
This,
I
this,
want to
this,
know.
this is just to give you a flavor that how powerful the method is, how easy it is just by the name to tap into any person's energy field and do the clearance.
So that's what I want to know. If we took a 1 hour session for him,
Yeah.
okay, we took that, so it will remove and it will not come back, or we have to do more sessions for that.
So basically, if something is, let's say 2 to 3 months, it's a one session. But if you have any chronic issues, like someone put 5 years or 10 years or 2 years, then these are, or diabetes or any other problem, then these we classify as chronic issues. Now, chronic issues, generally, you need 3 sessions because chronic issues are not only of the body pain, but also has a lot of emotional background. So basically, like for now, we gave him an awareness of like responsibility. So he said, yes, I have too much responsibility. Male side, leg, right leg. So maybe he has too much responsibility from a father figure. Or
Yeah.
maybe not even really that. So then we have to work on those aspects as well. So generally, we ask people to take 3 sessions if they have chronic issues.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Thank you
That's
for
what I just
asking.
want to understand. That thing.
Yes, thank you for asking. Thank you. And Suchitra,
Yes.
how are you feeling?
Slight different, but when I think after you asked me now a few minutes back, I was feeling some pain in my navel area also. The
Okay.
entire area started paining, and I forgot to mention one thing. If I pick up something really very heavy, sometimes because nowadays parking is a big problem. If you go shopping, or if I stand for too long, one of those time, because of lockdown, no servant or something, then I get once or twice spotting also.
Hmm.
It happens only when that time, and then it stops. It's generally there for a day, but once only it happens, but it does happen with that.
Okay, awesome. So for you, so now there's no difference in the pain or slight difference?
Slight, it is there. It's less.
Okay. Tell me
I'm
something.
feeling comfortable, like I'm sitting.
Tell
Yeah.
me something. When you had the accident, did you nearly die? Was it a bad accident?
No. These are small accidents. I
Okay.
skidded and all, or I fell down. I used to have a duplex house, and that
Yeah.
time they forget mobile phones, even cordless phones. Everybody did not have. And my father had the habit of calling early in the morning at 7 o'clock or 7:30, and I used to, like, okay, get up late. So I used to run down because the phone is ringing, and a couple of times I slipped my foot and went down the staircase. And kinetic, because I'm not very tall, I'm leg tall, I'm not very tall, so my feet used to never touch the ground. It's to be always on the fingers. So my whole concentration is to be on the brake. And if there's something, I took a sharp turn or something and I skidded, means I fell on my back. And that time, because you are so much into doing this and that, you don't bother about it so much. I didn't even bother, applied some pain, sometimes even not that. If it was paining, then applied some medicine or something, and that's it. It's only now later in life that it started hitting me more than I stopped driving kinetic.
Okay.
But it did.
So let us tell you about what we do in a session. So you've experienced a session. So what we will do in a session.
So basically, when we do a full 1 hour session, we do 4 things in that. The first step is always an energy checkup. Energy checkup is we check your auric field if there are any dark energies.
Yeah, I have plenty. They keep coming and going, keep coming and going. I get hit, I get punched. Everything happens under
Yeah.
the sky to me.
So yes, so dark energies, so people sometimes freak out that, oh, I might not be having them. But actually dark energies are part of the environment. They are there in every room, in every, it's part of the environment. And during the day, they cling to each one of us. But the problem happens when they get stuck in with us and they don't leave us. So when they don't leave us, what happens is they bring your vibration down, and that's where you fight, you make accidents, or you start experiencing not so good things in your life. So that is the first step that we do. And believe me, negativity clearance itself lifts a person so much, uh, that if I give you an example, like some now this Shekhar has got Shaitika. Shaitika, to my knowledge, 90% Shaitika is due to negativity. So you clear the negativity and the Shaitika pain disappears like that. For many, we have done it for many, and we have seen, it's only the dark energy sitting on the nerves and pressing it and creating the problem. So that is step one. Step two that we always do is we do a energetic checkup. So that energetic second step is we check the willingness of a person to get healed. So willingness of a person is like if I ask you, do you want to get rid of the pain? Everybody will say yes. But at subconscious level, you have certain programs where the willingness is blocked. So one time I remember one lady who came, and she was not conceiving in spite of medically fit. She was unable to conceive. So, and she was so dying to have a child that she had done all those religious rituals and lot of pujas and lot of treatment also, and lot of other things as well. And when I checked her willingness, we found that her willingness was very low. So then I told her that at subconscious level, your willingness is very low, and she could not believe, because if really she was so desperate, if I would have told her, stand on your head and you will conceive, she would do that also. She wanted to do anything on the earth to get a result. Anyway, in that session, we raised her willingness, and then within a month, she conceived naturally. So this part is a very important aspect of our roadmap, of our strategy that we do for a session. Then step three is where we do the energy, and me and Minda call it as a energetic surgery. So then that's where we dip into your energy field and we check all those cellular memories and your past life stuff, and all those programs that are logged in your subconscious and that are creating an issue. So that is step three. And then step four is we also check how long for results to show up. So this was like, a very tricky part, between us. As I told you, we learned a lot of healing modalities. So it used to bother both of us that, okay, we have done a session now. For how long should I wait? Should I wait for a week to see result? Should I wait for a month? Because sometimes it takes a month for results to show up. Should I wait for a month? Or just keep waiting and hoping that one day, because I have done a session, something will show up. So this was like I felt was like a blind game. So then when we created our method, we put this thing also where we come to know how long it's going to take for a result to show up. So we get a fair idea about that. And I remember one time when Brinda was working on a client she got an urgent request from her client for a person who was in coma. So for many days he was in coma, and now the doctors were also like, and the families also started losing hope. So her client told her that her uncle was in coma. Can you do an urgent session? And there is no result, and now we are all feeling disheartened. So when she did that session, after the session, I was also sitting in the same room, and she did the session. And after the session, she jokingly told me it's showing few hours for results to show up, and it was slightly late evening. So it was showing 5-6 hours for the result to show up. And we both laughed, and we said that this uncle is going to wake up, then this uncle is going to wake up in the morning. And actually the next morning her client called and she said that my uncle is out of coma. He woke up today. So this is a very interesting part of our therapy where we also come to know how long it's going to take for results to show up.
वाओ दैट्स ग्रेट। मीन्स हम
Yes.
इलाज करते हैं और हमें पता भी चल जाता है कि वो सामने वाला व्यक्ति कितने दिन में ठीक हो जाएगा या कितने घंटे में ठीक हो जाएगा।
हाँ, exactly. So, what
Yeah,
else?
but so what we'll do is we'll share with you so we'll share with you what we would like to teach, and we can also.
Yeah, so this is a case of frozen shoulder, and this is Brinda's house help. And usually we don't click picture, but then she developed frozen shoulder. She went to the doctor, and the doctor said it's frozen shoulder, and painkillers were not working, and she had great difficulty. So after 2 sessions, this is her status. This second picture is after 2 sessions that she could see the lift her hand, and then after 3 sessions, this is how she was like, you know. So we were able to click her pictures. So in this case, we have this before and after. And this is a case where we never met this guy. He approached us. As I told you, in our therapy, all we need is a name. So he developed this Bell's facial paralysis. And after sessions, this is how it became. So, and this is a girl who had this tie, if you see. So this girl took antibiotic as well. It wasn't going. Very painful, crying all the time. And when we did a session for her, this is one session overnight. Next morning, this is a picture. This is a very known figure in Dubai. She developed this eczema, and she came to us. She's author of many books. And she came to us that at a time where she said, I've done a lot of healing, a lot of treatments, and now I'm under depression, because she's a European and she wears dresses and she's a lot of public appearance. So then when she came, she was covered with a scarf and all. And then when we asked her, how can we help you? She opened her scarf and she said, this is what has happened to me. And I feel so depressed now, and it's not going. So we did a few sessions on her, and she gave a very good testimonial, which is already on our website as well. So this is her before and after picture, where you can see that he started healing. So, and now Brinda will tell you about our courses.
We are here to offer our training programs. Remember, we said in the beginning we would like to empower everybody, and our vision is that every house has a healer. Because now, as you know, with all the times and whatever is happening in the world, it is very important that at least one person does a healing, knows a healing method, because this is the biggest it's best ability that you can have to look after yourself and the family. So the first level is the BNC Miracle Method, and the topics that we cover is we teach you about what is energy, what is the conscious mind, how the subconscious mind works and creates disharmony within you. As you see, we have a pendulum. We teach you how the pendulum works, how to use the pendulum for clearing. We teach you how time plays a factor in your life and how limiting patterns and thoughts affect your bodies. And of course, the BNC Miracle Method, which is a 3-step method, very easy. Our youngest is about 18 years old and our oldest is 70 years old. So there is no age factor because it's just a technique. And it's the same step you repeat and repeat. So later on, you basically are able to master that skill. What will you be able to do? Because obviously, if you're going to be investing in a session, in a training program, you should know what you can do for you. So you can do sessions for yourself, you can do sessions for others, you can work on anything, health, any health issue, money, relationships, property, business, children, good grades, or eating habits, or ADD, ADHD. For you, Lena, you were asking about this, so you can start working on that. How is the course conducted? The course is a Zoom call, 6-hour class. It's we work with you'll get a pendulum. You'll get 5 charts. And the best part is it's an IPHM certificate. So this is the International Practitioners of Holistic Medicine. It is a board which actually looks at your course and certifies it that it is thank you, holding substance, and you can use this and start working in any clinic as well. So this is level 1. For the first 10 registrations, the discounted price is 22, our regular price is 40. You get 5 instant money bonus group calls. We always work on that whatever you spend, you get back. So we do money manifestation group calls to enable you to get your money back. And 5 group parent calls where, you know, now the time of the moment where our parents are like, a few of you all put your mother-in-law, your mother has some issues. So we work as a group, and they're very profound and very healing as well for you to do this. And then level 2 for you only, Leena, this is. You learn
Yeah.
about the topics that we
No,
cover are very scientific. We tell you the scientific method that is behind our method and how we came up about it. So we talk about the Big Bang Theory, the black hole, the white hole.
okay. Okay.
The singularity point. So a lot of this might be, you know, you might understand this.
Dr. Hawkins theory.
Yeah, and what will you be able to do? So you will clear from your aura, your energy field for yourself, your loved ones, your clients, lethal negative energies, curses, contracts, entities, psychic attacks, open
I'm
portals.
having this portal issue, Brenda.
Yeah, I heard you.
It's there.
Spirit possession, vampire energy, implants, black magic, and more. So this is also Zoom call. It's a 6-hour class. You'll get 2 charts, a black magic clearing protocol, and a negative menu. This is also IPHM certified. So if you do level 1 and 2, the total cost is 42,000. You get 10 money manifestations, 5 group calls, and 3 health calls. Regular price is at 78, and so you benefit by a saving of 36,000. And then our coming dates are 1st and 2nd May in the morning, and 15th and 16th May, 6:30 to 9:30 in the evening. And level 2 dates are the end of the month, more or less, 22nd to 23rd May, 10:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. So this is our dates. Now, for those who would like healing sessions, we are offering healing sessions. Generally, our cost is 12,000, but those on the call, we are offering it for 7.5. It's, as we said, chronic issues, maybe 3 to 5 sessions. So generally the price is 36, but special this is 18,000, which is 6,000 each session. And for 5 sessions, 60,000 is a normal cost, but for today it's 25,000. So a savings of, so the cost per session will cost you 5,000. So this is basically what we would like to offer you, and be free to join. We always recommend joining and learning for yourself. However, I understand maybe that you might not be able to learn. And if you're having chronic issues, then do take sessions and make life easy for yourself. This is the name of the game, to make life easy for yourself. So any questions, anybody? I talked a lot. Charu talked a lot.
If you have any
That's
questions, you
interesting.
can ask.
With just a chart and a pendulum, and you can do all the sessions, and you can take money for that also.
Correct, Pooja. That is the beauty of it.
Brenda,
हाँ,
my
और इसके लिए बेसिक कुछ नॉलेज होने की जरूरत नहीं है, कोई भी सीख सकता है. जैसे अगर मैं हीलर नहीं हूँ और मुझे ये करना है तो मैं कर सकती हूँ.
हाँ, ये सबके लिए ओपन है, कोई भी सीख सकता है. इसमें कोई, जैसे मैंने आपको शुरू में बताया था कि ये मेडिटेटिव प्रोसेस नहीं है कि आपको इंट्यूटिव होना चाहिए, आपका ध्यान लगना चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है.
ओके. और हमें सर्टिफिकेट भी मिलेगा इसका.
हाँ जी.
ओके.
कोई कुछ पूछ रहा था शायद.
Someone was saying something. So any other questions?
और किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हैं आप लोग क्वेश्चन.
Everyone's quiet. Okay, so thank you so much.
अच्छा, इसमें दोनों सेशंस मतलब पार्ट लेवल 1 लेवल 2 करना जरूरी है? लेवल 1 करके भी हम लोग अर्न कर सकते हैं और अपने ब्लॉकेजेस निकाल सकते हैं?
तो बेसिकली हम लोग एनकरेज करते हैं लेवल 1 और 2 दोनों के लिए, क्योंकि क्या है, नेगेटिविटी जो चीज है वो बहुत कॉमन है आज के दिन। हर 10 में से 8 जने नेगेटिविटी से ग्रिप्ड होते हैं, और जब नेगेटिविटी होती है तो वो हीलिंग ब्लॉक करने लगती है करके उसमें। इसलिए अगर आप लोग 1 एंड 2 दोनों सीखते हैं तो बेस्ट है। हालांकि 1 से लेवल 1 से भी आपको टेक्निक तो आई जाती है।
ओके वही, क्योंकि काफी लोगों का वही है कि हमें दोनों कंपलसरी करना है या हम सिर्फ एक करेंगे तो भी हमें बेनिफिट मिल
एक
सकता
से
है।
अगर दोनों कर सकते हैं तो बेहतर है, वरना एक से शुरुआत करिए, फिर अपने आप समझ में आएगा कि लेवल 2 की क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है।
ओके
पर टेक्निक आपको लेवल 1 में पूरी
Priyanka,
सिखा दी जाती है।
I want to still ask.
Yes, Nina.
Brinda, I want to still ask you about
Yes,
my
Nina.
portals question. After doing your level 2, the portal is going to close for remaining, or still there is a chances to opening a portal?
No, they will be closed for good.
अच्छा, मतलब एक बार हमने
Okay.
नेगेटिविटी
So there
निकाल
is
दी
no
तो
chances.
नहीं आएगी?
जी जी।
ओह वाओ, दैट्स ग्रेट।
No, negativity I'm not asking. I'm asking
Yes, we
particular
can,
about,
yes,
I'm worried about the
Portals
portals.
also.
yes, we
Portals
can
opened by
portals also.
the
Because
entity.
you got to understand that, Lena, you are only focused on the portals, but the portals are created by many other things. So you will learn how to clear the other things that are opening the portals. You're very focused on portals, but the reason the portals are opening is because there are entities opening it. There is black magic opening it. There is
Exactly. That's why
yeah, and so
there are
you
so
don't
many
know
things.
you do not know the technique of addressing everything. So when you address everything and you learn how to work with the energy of clearing the negative energy, the portals will get closed. It's not like we just spin. We have a technique. We tell you how to do it. And yes,
No,
all
that's
the
what I'm
negative
asking
energies
you.
open up the portals, and you will learn this
Yes,
in
and
2.
that's what I replied, that portals will close for good. I already replied. So we have 1 full day course. This level 2 is only negativity only. A full day is only this
Okay.
topic only.
Okay. Awesome.
Awesome.
So highly suggest for you to learn it so that you can help your clients who are really probably going through very painful situations.
Yeah, I was thinking that way. That's why I was asking you
Yes.
about
Yeah,
this again and again, because I
Yes.
want to get into the things.
I
Because
understand.
I learned so many things. I think more than 20-25 modalities to, so I done all kind of entity works, and I was reading so many books as well for
Yeah.
that.
So now you are at the right place, Lena. The right place at the right time.
So
Just
even I
get
learned
you
so
ready.
many pendulum courses as well. So that's why
Yes,
I'm asking you
yeah,
this.
good.
Very nice.
So anyone else has a question?
Because since we are
Yeah, anyone else has a question?
और ये भी बहुत से जन पूछ रहे थे कि डॉजिंग और ये अलग है ना? मतलब बहुत से जन कंपेयर कर रहे थे कि पेंडुलम डॉजिंग और बीएनसी मेथड इज सेम और डिफरेंट इट इज।
So in dowsing, basically, so what people understand from dowsing, we don't teach dowsing. We teach a method to use the pendulum. Yes, the pendulum, we are doing the method of dowsing, but we are working on a straight intention. We are not actually teaching people to say, should I buy this dress? Should I go for this movie? Should I buy this house? Should I marry this husband? Will I have a boy or a girl? No, we are not doing
We are
that.
not
Is
doing
dowsing, and that is
future telling.
future telling. And we do not encourage anyone with future telling, because future telling is very off the moment and can become yes or no. It just goes, it doesn't come, it's not a fruitful exercise.
So we believe in changing future.
Okay.
To ask, am I going to get this promotion? And so that is what dowsing is. It will say yes or no. However,
Okay.
if it says no or something like that, but that's not, there is no one answer for that. That's what we believe. There's no one future. There are many possibilities. So our tool, we use pendulum to clear blocks to achieve something for manifestation rather than for fortune telling.
Oh wow. That's great.
We close now?
और
Yeah,
किसी को
so
डाउट है? नहीं तो फिर हम लोग क्लोज करते हैं.
if anyone has any questions, we will answer. Otherwise, we can say
Or
goodbye and
you
thank
have
you.
only 2 levels or further more level also for this?
Sorry?
How many levels you have? How many levels you have?
So we basically have 6 levels, but 6 levels are for those who want to go professionally. And basically each one has their own journey. So people just learn, as we said, we encourage people 1 and 2 because 2 removes negativity, and people who face a lot of negativity, we encourage people to do 2. R3 is addressing health in a more dynamic way. So people with more chronic issues, you'll get to work faster. So you'll do 3 sessions rather than maybe 5-6 sessions with level 1. And so level 4 and 5 take the level much more deeper, and you get faster results. But these are people who are doing it at a professional. So you're taking, you have a healing center like you, maybe you are doing a lot of healing for clients, and this will benefit you. And level 6 is just for people
Yeah,
who
that's what I'm asking you.
yes. And level 6 is for those who want to enhance their spirituality. So you want to increase your clairvoyance abilities, you want to be more intuitive. So when you do level 1, you can learn level 6, which is intuition and spiritual advancement. So yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for asking.
1
So
and 2
level
is what
6 is spiritual advancement. Level 3 is for health.
3.
And 4 and 5 I'm not able to get in.
4 is intensive skills. So
4
the
and 5 I
method
do not.
4 is called intensive skills. The method becomes 10 times more powerful. And 5 is dissection of miracles. So these are, as Brinda said, these are advanced level courses. You can find more details about them on our website. But 1 and 2 is what we encourage. With that, you can do anything and everything under the earth.
Wow. Means we have to do both levels so we can.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
Basically 1 और 2 लेवल हम करेंगे तो काफी अच्छा है हमारे लिए.
Yeah, people
1 and
have
2.
done, Pooja, people have done level 1 and they have had such miracles. We had a girl who did level 1 and her daughter was having allergies for like past 5 to 7 years. And there was no cure for her. When she did level 1, the first intention was to work on her daughter's allergies. And within 1 week, her allergies went away. And that is what she did. We had one
I
more
have
girl.
one more
She had 1 minute, Lena. We had another girl. She did level 1, and her father had cancer, and she was supposed. No, she did level 1 and 2. Yeah. And she was supposed to do other classes, but her father was not well. But she created such a big miracle for herself and her father that this is how profound the method is. So yes, you can work miracles from level 1. It's not that I have to learn 5 or I have to learn 6 to, maybe become my level. No, nothing like that. 1 is the basic of, and in level 1, what we do is, as we said, we work on unexpected money. We work on, whatever you spent, you get back. And so we teach, we work on unexpected money. And we've seen that people who have done the class, somehow or the other, they get money coming to them. So,
Yes.
yeah.
Unexpected money are coming.
Yeah.
Can I ask now one thing?
Yes,
Acha,
sure.
in your this method, do we have to take some protections because we are in a level 2, you are removing the negativity, so
Yeah.
it will harm
We
us
teach
or
you in class. Leena, we teach you.
It's taken care of.
We teach you in class how to protect yourself.
okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
So look forward to teaching you in class.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. I
So
was looking forward to you.
So thank you everyone for joining us today and
You.
spending your morning with us. And we're very grateful and wish you a great day ahead. And
Yeah.
thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you for coming.
Brenda,
Thank you,
Charu, and
Pooja.
Pooja.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Thank
Pooja.
you. Thank
Thanks,
you.
everyone.
Bye everyone.
Yeah. सभी जन जो यहाँ पर आए उन सबको धन्यवाद। आपने अपना कीमती टाइम निकाला, वो भी संडे का।